change-orientated approach. Introduction. In order to survive a constantly evolving world, companies have to adapt themselves. Adaptation is made possible by implementing a change-oriented approach. Many theories describe why and how this approach is useful to enterprises. In this learning object, we'll see the 4 ideal theories of change: life cycle theory, teleological theory, dialectical theory, and evolutionary theory, which, combined with each other, are the basis for more complex theories. The life cycle theory. According to the life cycle theory, change is a linear process. Each step needs to be accomplished for the next one to occur. This theory foreseen the existence of rules and regulations within the organisation in order to be applied. Teleological theory. To be able to change according to circumstances is key for each living being aiming to remain alive. As for them, change is strategic also for companies in order to achieve their final goal. The path leading to the ultimate objective is, in turn, divided in smaller goals to be achieved. That's why, for each step, the company has to implement and evaluate new changes. The main issue to be taken into account, according to the teleological theory, is that the final objective itself, as a result of continuous evaluation process, can change in the end. The dialectical theory. According to the dialectical theory, the company has to pose its focus on the conflict between change and stability. The change occurs when there is a modification of the balance amongst opposing forces, which lead the company to a modification of its status quo. The evolutionary theory. The evolutionary theory considers the change in companies as a continuous cycle of modifications regarding processes or structures in order to permit evolution and survival of the company. This theory, along with the dialectical and teleological ones, affirms that the path to reach the final goal is uncertain and unknown. Theory of emergent and incremental change. Developed by Yetton, Johnson and Craig, this theory affirms that change can emerge thanks to the adoption of new technology, which, like a chain reaction, can lead to the improvement of members' expertise, as well as to an evolution of structural and management processes. Furthermore, the theory asserts that major significant changes can be subdivided in smaller goals, so that the change management can happen more easily. The punctuated equilibrium model of strategic change. As premise to this theory, Romanelli and Tushman affirm that organizations can confront 2 types of change. The first one, convergent, happens when the company faces periods of stable activity with just incremental changes. The second one takes place when the company experiences short periods of sudden change, reorientation. This strategy affirms that strategic change follows when the inaction resulted from a continuous stability is overcome, and the 2 elements, change in the environment and in top management, break this inertia. Conclusion. The applications of this change-orientated theories leads to a change-oriented management. We can summarize the main action points as follows. Promote change and growth. Have creative attitude. Take risks being optimistic and having confidence. Have visionary qualities. Monitor and identification of external threats and opportunities.